Here I have Motorola Moto G51, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this icon here, tap open camera, allow access, and now let's scan, for example, this QR code, just like this. Tap on the search button, and this was the page encoded to this QR code, and that's how you can open it. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.